Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now, let's get real for a second. Imagine this. It's 2025, flying cars are finally a thing. Just kidding, maybe not yet. But while everyone else is out there living their best, most efficient lives powered by AI, you're stuck in the dark ages, wrestling with a million browser tabs and a to-do list longer than my last grocery run. So buckle up, grab your metaphorical notepad, or a real one, I don't judge, and get ready to dive into a world where AI becomes your new BFF. Because trust me, you don't want to miss this. You won't believe what this AI can do.
Ready to unlock the future? Watch till the end to see which tool could change your life. Stay tuned for the next tool. It's a total game changer.
All right. First up on our AI hit list is something truly magical. I'm talking about ChatFusion 2.0, your new personal productivity powerhouse. And no, I'm not exaggerating. This thing is basically the love child of Siri and a super efficient personal assistant, except way cooler. Imagine this. You're drowning in emails, your Slack notifications are blowing up like crazy, and your calendar looks like a Jackson Pollock painting gone wrong. Total chaos, right? Well, with ChatFusion, all you have to do is ask, "Hey ChatFusion, what in the world is going on with my life this week?" And boom! It doesn't just read you a boring list, it gives you the ultimate breakdown of your schedule, flags any potential conflicts, and even suggests rearranging things to optimize your time. Seriously, it's like having a personal scheduling ninja working overtime just for you. But wait, there's more. ChatFusion also takes communication to a whole new level. It learns your writing style, whether you're all business professional or a queen of emojis like me. Need to fire off a quick email to your boss? ChatFusion will make sure it's formal and to the point. Want to reply to your bestie with all the latest gossip? It's got your back with the perfect sassy response. Trust me, this is one relationship you're going to want to swipe right on. Next up is a tool that's music to the ears of anyone who's ever felt their soul slowly dying while staring at a spreadsheet. You guys feel me, right? Well, say hello to Readable AI, the game changer that's about to revolutionize the way you work with data. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lily, spreadsheets? That's about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me on this one. Readable doesn't just organize your data. It brings it to life like a Beyoncé concert in a spreadsheet. Imagine this. You're trying to analyze sales trends for your new business venture. Instead of staring at a jumbled mess of numbers and formulas that would make your head spin, Readable swoops in with dynamic, easy-to-understand visuals. We're talking interactive charts, graphs that practically dance before your eyes, and insights that jump out at you faster than you can say profit margins. And here's the kicker. Readable doesn't just show you the what, it tells you the why. It's like having a personal data scientist whispering secrets in your ear, pointing out hidden patterns, and giving you actionable suggestions, all without you having to lift a finger. Because, let's face it, time is money, honey, and Readable is about to make you both. Okay, fellow creatives, this one's for you. Have you ever stared at a blank page, the cursor blinking like an impatient judge, while your brain feels as empty as my snack drawer after a late-night fridge raid? Ugh, writer's block, we meet again. But fear not, my friends, because Fellow is here to be your new creative muse. This AI-powered writing assistant is about to become your secret weapon for conquering any writing task. Whether it's crafting a killer blog post, coming up with scroll-stopping captions, or even writing an entire script. Need something witty and engaging? Fellow's got you. How about something informative and professional? Consider it done. Just feed Fellow a few prompts or keywords, sit back, and watch in awe as it generates high-quality content that sounds like it came straight from your own brain, only without the caffeine jitters and existential dread. With Fellow as your trusty sidekick, you'll be churning out content like a machine, freeing up your time and energy to focus on what really matters, bringing your creative vision to life. So ditch the writer's block, embrace the power of fellow, and let your words flow. All right, let's be real for a second. In the age of Instagram and TikTok, visuals are everything. But what if you're not exactly a Photoshop whiz or a graphic design guru? Don't worry, my friend, because Visionary AI is about to become your new design BFF. This AI-powered design tool is like having an entire team of creative geniuses at your fingertips, minus the diva demands and exorbitant fees. Whether you need a stunning logo for your new business venture, eye-catching graphics for your social media, or even a full-blown ad campaign that would make Don Draper proud, Visionary AI has got you covered. And the best part? You don't need a fancy design degree or years of experience to use it. Visionary AI is all about making design accessible to everyone, regardless of your skill level. Just tell it what you need. Maybe it's a logo with a minimalist vibe or a social media graphic that screams "click me," and watch in amazement as it generates multiple options that are so on point, you'll think they were plucked straight from your imagination. So unleash your inner creative director, embrace the power of Visionary AI, and get ready to make your mark on the world, one stunning visual at a time. Let's be honest, in the year 2025, Zoom meetings are about as avoidable as awkward small talk at a networking event. We've all been there, right? Staring blankly at the screen, pretending to listen while secretly wondering what's for dinner. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that can transform those soul-sucking Zoom meetings into a goldmine of actionable insights? Enter Fathom AI, your new productivity sidekick that's about to make you the MVP of every meeting. This genius tool integrates seamlessly with your favorite video conferencing platforms, silently working its magic in the background like a stealthy note-taker who also happens to be a mind-reading supercomputer. Imagine this. You're in a meeting, and your brain is about 3 seconds away from checking out. But fear not, because Fathom AI is on the case. It's recording the entire meeting, transcribing every word with pinpoint accuracy, and even identifying key speakers so you know who said what. But it gets even better. Fathom takes things a step further by using the power of AI to analyze the entire conversation, pulling out the most important takeaways, deadlines, and action items. No more frantically scribbling notes or trying to decipher your own chicken scratch. So say goodbye to Zoom fatigue and hello to Fathom AI, your secret weapon for staying on top of your game and impressing your colleagues with your newfound meeting mastery. Okay, students, researchers, and knowledge junkies of all kinds, this last tool is for you. Remember those all-nighters spent hunched over stacks of books, desperately trying to cram information into your brain before a big exam or deadline? Yeah, those days are over thanks to Notebook LM, the AI-powered research assistant that's about to make you the Einstein of your field. Imagine this. You're working on a research paper, thesis, or any project that involves sifting through mountains of information. You've got articles, studies, and reports coming out of your ears, and the thought of actually reading and summarizing it all makes you want to cry. Enter Notebook LM, your new secret weapon for conquering information overload. This AI-powered tool lets you upload all your documents, articles, and research papers, creating a centralized knowledge base that's just waiting to be tapped into. But Notebook LM doesn't just store your files, it understands them. It's like having a super intelligent research assistant who's read everything on a subject and can answer any question you throw at it. Need a quick summary of a complex study? Just ask. So say goodbye to research rabbit holes and hello to Notebook LM, your new partner in crime for unlocking the secrets of the universe, one query at a time. And there you have it, my friends. The top 5 AI tools of 2025 that are about to revolutionize your life. So, seriously, what would you do with an extra 5 hours every week? Finally learn how to play the ukulele? Perfect your grandma's secret cookie recipe? The possibilities are endless. These AI tools aren't just about making things easier. They're about giving you the freedom to focus on what truly matters. By the way, if you found this video even remotely helpful, do me a solid and hit that like button like your life depends on it. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who's still stuck in the technological dark ages. Let's spread the AI love. Comment below. Which tool will you try first? Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and I'll catch you in the next one.